Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set default styles in Mailchimp. This is incredibly useful if you want to maintain consistent branding across all your email campaigns without having to manually adjust fonts, colors, and spacing every single time you create a new email. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create an Account and follow the prompts to set up your profile and enter your business details. This initial setup ensures Mailchimp can tailor its features to your specific needs. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This will take you to the Campaigns page where you can manage all your email marketing efforts. Now you have two options here. You can either select an existing campaign or create a brand new one. For this tutorial, we'll work with an existing campaign since the function to set default styles is located within the email editor page. Click on Email Templates, then browse through the Mailchimp Templates section and select one that fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click on Create Email. You'll now be taken to the email customization page. This is your command center where you set your audience, craft your subject line, and schedule when your email will be sent. Look over to the right side of your screen and click Edit Design. This action opens up the full email editor where the magic happens. Once you're in the email editor screen, focus your attention on the left navigation bar and locate the Style tab. This is the section that gives you complete control over your email's default appearance. Click on it to reveal all the styling options available to you. Within the Style tab, you can set your default background color and adjust margins to ensure your emails have proper spacing and visual balance. Click on Text to define default font settings, including spacing and color. These adjustments will apply to all text elements in your emails, creating a cohesive look. You can also select default colors for your links and buttons, along with customizing shapes and fonts throughout your design. This level of control ensures every email you send reflects your brand identity perfectly. The beauty of this section is that all changes auto-apply to your content and will be set as the default for future emails. This means once you configure these settings, you won't have to repeat this process for every new campaign you create. Once you're satisfied with all your default parameters and settings, click Save and Exit in the top right corner of your screen. And there you have it, you've successfully set default styles in Mailchimp, ensuring all your future emails maintain a consistent professional appearance without extra effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.